Hey, to turn on always on display on the Xiaomi Watch S3, all you have to do is just to swipe up to open the settings. Now from this, scroll down and go into the display, and from this, scroll down one more time and go into the always on display. Now we can select smart, click OK, and then you have to just go back. Also, we can you can tap main display to select a watch face when we are using the rise to wake, and if we select the always on display, the rise to wake will be actually turned off. So you have to decide. Now when we go back from this one, okay, let's select this always on display, then go back. We can also change theme of the always on display from this, actually 1, 2, 3, so we got 5 different themes. And if you want to get any of this theme, you can additionally edit it by clicking here and then changing some options like date. So instead of this widget, we can actually get step counter, for example. And now when you lock your screen, you should get the always on display. Okay, it's actually hard to see, but it's actually available on my watch. And yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.